Hey there. Welcome to the Compact CRM, your all-in-one tool for tasks, contacts, notes, meetings, and more. It's all built in Notion, fully owned by you, and completely subscription-free. Built using a framework that anybody can understand in less than an hour, it gets you up and running so that you never have to figure out what feature actually matters. It's just built in here, ready to go from day one. So if you're interested in keeping up with your contacts and building those relationships, down below we have some more information about what goes into the Compact CRM, the features that make it work, and a little bit more about the resources that come with the Compact CRM. It comes with a full walkthrough broken down into 4 different parts. Just an overview to get you started, Notion know-how, focus framework, and your day at a glance. Basically all of these come together to give you a standalone setup that when you get inside here, you have a use guide along with 2 different setup guides, a quick start guide and an advanced setup guide for those that are more technical. And throughout the setup process, you're going to learn over 30 best practices, tips, and tricks that I've learned from building over 300 Notion setups so that you don't really have to learn that yourself. It's all just built into the focus framework over here where if you want to get deeper, you can, or if you just want to see what you're working on at any given moment, come to this page right here. Navigate between the different sections, and you can see over here that we have the back end. If we want to go into our back end, it's a fully in-depth focused view of whatever we need, so we can always drill down on whatever is important at that moment. For example, if we have our contacts over here, you can drill down on follow-up today and tomorrow because you want to know who you're talking to today and tomorrow. But down below, you also have some more information to find it by first name ABC, last name ZYX, or you can see that right there, as well as some more dates down here if you want to see follow-up date a little bit more broken out. You can go deeper and keep on focusing down to whatever you want to see. This week, next week, this month, next month, or we can hop over to the contact date and it'll be reverse. This week, last week, this month, last month. Basically show you who you talk to at what point, and then you have a little bit more down there where if you want to start adding some tags, titles, industry, occupation, or whatever other details you want to start adding, you can find that over in your profile details over here, and it is just wherever it needs to be. Navigate between the top level hubs, see whatever you're looking for at a daily glance, come over to your meeting, and then it all swings back over to your Compact CRM and your personal dashboard. So you can see everything under a single spot, find your day at a glance, group it all together under a simple and easy to use dashboard. And just like Nancy said down below, one of my favorite reviews I've ever received, it really will cut your day down incredibly. She mentioned it cut her day down from about 8 hours down to 1 because most of the things that take time isn't something humans should be doing anyways. If you had a good system that was set up and able to do it for you, you would just be able to get back to your work rather than fighting with machines. So it really does take your day down from 8 hours down to 1 if you have a manually intensive and admin heavy job. And if you're just trying to keep up with your daily work, it's also a perfect way to do that as well. It just works. So if you're ready to stop looking for another CRM ever again in your life, the Compact CRM does have everything that you need along with all of the resources that are going to make it work, and make sure that you never have to look for something else because it's a little bit more complicated. The 4-part setups take you through this gradually, get you up to speed, and then whenever you're ready to go, you never have to think about it again, which is just incredible. Imagine if they kept on throwing updates to you and you kept on having to learn add-ons and all that stuff. Well, the Compact CRM is yours and you can build it however you want using a focus framework that allows you to expand on it infinitely, essentially. And this breaks it down in a super simple, easy to use format. So whenever you're ready to go ahead and check down below. The starter package is a self-setup that'll get you up and running in less than an hour yourself. Use the professional package for some help getting set up from somebody from my team. And then go ahead and click the Contact Us button if you're looking for something more, have any questions, or just looking for some additional features that might be for a bigger operation. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong, and you will be able to get set up very quickly either way. So check it out below. We'll be here if any questions come up along the way, and if not, I can't wait to hear how much time you save. I'll see you in there.